Rule number one, call the restoration company.
Absolutely. And when
They'll
I
have
tell people,
24-hour access, 365 days a year, immediate response teams.
yeah, we have
I don't know how y'all man that team.
we've got a lot of moving
know how
parts.
y'all do it.
We're currently running at about 43-minute response time anywhere in the valley. And we've got redundant systems. I hear oftentimes somebody will say that, well, we called the 3 companies, but nobody answered, or we couldn't get a hold of anybody. And I said, well, then they must not have a 24-hour emergency service. And they'll say, well, their ad said they did. And so calling somebody and maybe getting a hold of somebody is one thing, but we have dedicated teams on call 24 hours a day. We have backup teams in the event that we get overrun with claims, and then we rotate them out so that we keep everybody fresh. But it's a big commitment.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.